Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about 3 reasons you should consider joining the Collect Direct business opportunity. With that said, let's dive in. All right, in case you don't know what it is, and it's brand new, so you may not, Collect Direct is a brand new company launching at the end of June or July 2023. So it's ground floor. It's really basement right now, but it is based on the collectibles and memorabilia industry. The cool thing about it is the collectibles business was a $458.2 billion industry in 2022, and it's guesstimated that it'll be reaching $1 trillion by 2032 or 2033. So there's huge opportunity. The first reason is, it's just gonna be a fun business opportunity. It's not gonna be like you're pitching, some overpriced lotion or potion or CBD or whatever. Granted, all those things help people. I use them myself, but that industry is so saturated. There's a million different names. I can't even keep track of them. This is new. There's no competition. So those are among some other reasons why I think this is amazing. It's gonna be fun. There's no competition. It's new. And then in addition to that, you're gonna have 8 ways that you can earn with this particular business venture. If you wanna find out more, my website's not even live yet. My link's not live. I will put it in there as soon as it does go live. But in the meantime, you can always reach out to me in the comments or in the description below. I'll have my cell phone so you can text me. I'll also have my email. And then again, when it goes live, I'll put the link in there so you can take the tour. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great night. Have a great weekend to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.